Here are my top 10 reasons why I love going on cruises. Number 1, you get to wake up in a new port each day while only having to unpack once. Number 2, you get to live luxuriously on board, but at an affordable cost. Number 3, you can eat as much as you want and the food is famously delicious. Number 4, you get to experience world-class entertainment while traveling around the world. Number 5, you can do some pretty wild things in the middle of the ocean, such as ice skating, surfing, and even ziplining. Number 6, you get to meet guests and crew from all over the globe. Number 7, you are constantly surrounded by beautiful ocean views. Number 8, you are able to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of normal life on land while at sea. Number 9, you are able to see parts of the world that you would not otherwise be able to by land. And number 10, you are constantly encouraged to be yourself, have lots of fun, and make tons of memories.